Sakina Kazmi, your digital gal, here to simplify tech funnels and automation. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you will know how to create a sales funnel in GoHighLevel and effectively launch it along with the full functionality so you don't miss any step along the way. I'm gonna go to create new funnel, but before we do that, make sure that you are logged into your account and then go to sites, and then you can go to funnels, create a new funnel, and we can start from blank or from template. So I'm gonna just use a template so that we can save some time, and you can choose a template of your own choice on your business niche. So I'm gonna just use a simple funnel which can be, yeah, let's say this is the free discovery call funnel, but we are going to make it a paid one so that people pay to get calls booked. Let's click on recent free discovery calls. So we got the template and it has these three pages. One is the offer claim page, booking page, and a thank you page. So we are going to create the first one as a sales page. Let's edit it. So this is a free discovery call page. Let's just add any logo. You can add these and fill out these placeholders. So I'm gonna just make it like claim your discovery call and assume this is a paid product. So we can have a one paragraph. Let's add a new element. Okay, let's add a bit of margin. So this is a paid one. Make sure that you also add the pricing, and you can add a video, or if it's not a video, you can just add some points about the product. So make sure that in your sales funnel, a sales page, you include the problem and the solution your product is going to provide, and then who is this for, what it includes, and if you have any testimonials, make sure to include that as well, because it's gonna really benefit your sales page. So this is a problem section where it talks about does this sound like you problems, and then this is a testimonial, like they were having the same problem, then a section about you, and then you can add more sections as like how to solve it. For example, I'm just gonna duplicate this and make it don't worry anymore. And then you can add solutions. Maybe just add a picture of your product, and then here you can add benefit or solution, how this benefit you, and then you can add some more points. So you can add the content and all, because based on our lead magnet tutorial video, you know how to create the page, how to use the elements. So we are just going to focus on the functionality. Okay, so claim your discovery call, and then in the subtext, only for 75 today. Subtext color. Okay, so our sales page is ready. We have call to action buttons, and yeah, here. Now we need to add a checkout page. Let's save, and then you also make sure to update the SEO content, which is like your product, sorry, your product name, and then your brand name, and then it's something about your product. Let me just update and then save. You can change the header and the footer of the page. So make sure all these buttons are linked to the next step. Go to next step so that we can add a checkout on the next step. Next step, and you can also include any FAQ section if you have any questions that you think people are going to have. So also make sure that it's mobile optimized. Let's go to booking page or a checkout page. And this can be, thank you for claiming your discovery call. No, not thank you. Actually, they're going to pay here. Claim your discovery call. And then here we are going to add the order form, and we are going to use a one step order form. So we have two order forms, one step and two step. One step is where they're going to add information and pay straight away, and two step is where they include their information like name, email, phone number, and shipping address first, and then on the second step they're gonna pay. The benefit of using two step is if you don't have any opt-in page in the start, you can get a lead. If they don't proceed with the payment on the second step, you'll still have the lead in your system through the first step. So, but for now, I'm just gonna use one step order form, and you can customize all this information, which is shipping and your info, just your info, hide company name, full name validation. I'm gonna keep it disabled because we don't want to restrict them to include full name. Also enable country picker so that they can easily add their phone numbers. Shipping, we don't need shipping because it's a digital product. It's a call. Yeah. You can enable coupon codes if you want to use it. If you don't want to use it, you can either keep it enabled or just disable it. So, and sticky contact is there. Okay. Make sure button size is also medium. So we got our checkout. And if you have a domain connected, you can connect your domain to the funnel and make sure that you add your sale action to go to the next step. Yeah, it's go to next step, or you can select a step which is thank you page. So I want them to go to thank you page after they make a purchase here. Okay, this is good. Now let's go to also SEO. checkout brand name. Let's go to thank you page. Now this is where we will say thank you for your purchase. Now you can book your call here. So here we will have thank you for claiming your free discovery call. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Proceed with your booking below. Or I don't like this screen. Or yeah, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder. Proceed with your booking below, and then you can include a booking form because this was a paid consultation, so we should add a calendar. Maybe if you have any calendars already, you can just include that. And that's it. You can save. Also, if you want to show them their purchase information, you can include order confirmation element, and you can customize it by going to advanced. I'm just gonna remove this, show details, remove this, and don't want to see the colors, so let's just remove the background. And yeah, so they can proceed with the booking below. Okay, if you don't want to include it, just delete it. So it's there, and proceed with the booking below can go maybe here, or book your free call. Oh, sorry, it's not free, it's paid. Save. Now we can create a product in the backend and connect it with the checkout page. So let's go back and go to payments, go to products, create a new product, which is discovery call. And the discovery call is 75. Save. And you can also include their original price just for compare at price, which was 99, and save. Now we can go to funnel and connect it with the checkout. Recent free discovery call. It's not free, so we should name it paid discovery call. Make sure you also add a favicon for your funnel so that it appears in the top tagline side. And make sure your funnel is in live mode so that you can collect payments. Now let's go to booking page, and it's not a booking but checkout. You can also edit these setup URL step URLs, which is checkout booking. Let's go to products and connect that product here. Add a product, discovery call, save. Now if we preview this, we are gonna see this product connected to our funnel checkout page. Okay, Right, so it's there, discovery goal 75, and you can either pay through card or pay another way. They have added some other ways as well. Now, if you want to test this, like if it's working out, you're able to collect payments, you can go to settings and enable this to test mode, and then you can do a test. But before we do that, there are two steps that we still need to do to make sure if someone make a purchase, they receive an email from our site, and which can acknowledge their payment or just thank you email. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create an email. Let's go to marketing and go to email templates. And because I have already created some of the emails, I'm going to just clone that and use the emails I have. So let's see what it says. Okay, let's clone it. And it says paid discovery call confirmation. Clone, and the email builder will open, and there we can edit the details. Okay, we have our builder which will say thank you for investing in your discovery call. Click below to book your call if you haven't already. If you already booked a call, you can ignore this, and then you can add here like book here. Or if you want to give them any bonus offer, you can also include access to your bonus here. We are so excited to work with you and all. And then you can click on the three dots, go to settings, and make sure that you add a subject, which is thank you for investing in your call or consultation or something. I'm gonna just go to templates, increase the width. Let's go back. So our email is ready. We need to create automation so that the functionality is there whenever someone purchase. Let's go to automation, create a workflow from scratch, and let's add paid discovery call workflow. Now we need to add a trigger. Trigger is whenever someone purchase. So that is order submitted. And here we can add a filter to give them the product. So the product is discovery call. So whenever someone purchase the discovery call, that will be the trigger. And these are the actions we are going to add. So when someone purchase trigger, we need to add them a tag, which is call booking discovery call, or maybe paid discovery call. So we know these are the paid ones. Then we need to send an email. So here we can choose the email that we created, which was paid discovery call. Because the email template is already there, we don't need to edit it. So that's it. And from name and email, you can either add here or you can just add them in the workflow settings so that you don't have to add again and again for each email if you're sending more than one email. So let's add here custom values. You can either type it down or use custom values. For instance, email sender, yeah, sender name and email, and save. And if you want to get notified, you can also add another action as internal notification to yourself, which is particular user, which can be me. Yep. And you can save action if you want to add this notification. For now, let's publish it with a tag and an email. Now the workflow is done, email is done, it's published. The final part is the testing for the sales funnel. So make sure you always do a test before launching a funnel. So this is our funnel and it's not active yet because there is no domain connected, which is fine. I can connect any domain or we can just test it as it is. The first thing we need to do in order to test, enable the test mode. Now open the sales page. So this is the sales page. Claim your discovery only for $75. I'm gonna or click here. So here comes our checkout. And this will show test mode so that you can use a test card, which is 42424242. Just any future dates, any random numbers, complete order. So this should go to the next page. Okay, thank you for claiming a discovery call. So this is showing the correct one. Proceed with your booking below. Now they can book their call. So this works great. And now we need to check the backend. So in order to find your purchase, you can first go to payments and then you can go to orders and you should be able to find that there. So pay discovery call 75. So this is done and if it will also show you the mode, which is test mode. Then you want to see if you received an email. And I forgot which email I used. Let's open this. Okay, this is the email. And we can see if they received the email. So they did, which is good. Now I can go to my email to check if I received it. Okay, let's see if I go to spam. Okay, it's there. All right. So I received the email. The reason it's in spam because we didn't include any of the, which is, yeah, we didn't include the email services, which is the other thing that we need to do and which I'm gonna show in the next video. So you got all the steps to create sales funnel and you did the testing. Now you need to go back to the funnel and make sure it's on live mode so you don't lose any sales. Let's go back and enable it to the live mode. That's it. I hope this helps. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please share in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.